follow-up to the live I did this morning for those who watched or watched the replay. This is the trail that I was walking on during the live. See the trees? They're really not that far away. That's where I was sitting and walking and doing the live. And this was the other end of the trail. It was my goal 2 years ago before knee replacement surgery that I'd be able to walk this Sunday. Sunday hasn't arrived yet. So, and then here's the other part of the trail. Whoa. I can't see, there's a glare on the camera. But this goes, walks along the river, and I'd like to do that as well. But the health issues don't allow. When it starts getting cooler, I will have my aide or my grandchild help me to see how far I can walk on this one. I just have to be careful because just because I can maybe walk to a point and feel somewhat okay doesn't mean I have what it takes to walk back. So I'm just gonna end this one and do some more